Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com, and today we're going to be talking about web slice. So have you heard about web slice before? Well, most likely you may have seen it just when you are changing the settings of your modules, but I'm assuming that you never got to know what is it exactly. And actually, I just got to know that very recently. This explanation is not, this feature is not that useful because it's only supported by Internet Explorer version 8 upwards. So again, I'm just gonna post this video out of curiosity, really. But here's what I'm referring to, what I'm talking about. We have this new page, we have this module, and we're gonna set it as a web slice. To do that, we're just gonna go to Manage, Settings. Under Settings, let's go to Page Settings, and under Basic Settings, let's select Is Web Slice. Let's select this. I'm not gonna put any titles here. I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm just gonna select this. I'll come back to those options in a second. And I'm gonna update. And I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna open Internet Explorer. I'm gonna refresh the site there. And under New Page, well, I have to put some content first. So let's go here, Edit Content. And let's just type in anything here. Feeling great. Let's save this so we can actually see content when you are not logged in. Now, if we move the mouse over this I'm feeling great, you're gonna see this icon. And again, this is only IE8 up. This is IE9 actually. So if I move the mouse over, I'm gonna see this icon. And this is what it's called the web slice in Internet Explorer. Now, I'm going to activate the favorites bar here in my Internet Explorer. And I'm going to add this web slice to my favorites there. It's asking if I agree to that. The name, it says enter title because I have not changed this. Let's add to favorite bar. And now I have this little icon here. I can click and I can see the content of this area, of this module. And if this content changes, I can refresh and I can see that any updates here. So that's what a web slice is. Now, there are a few other options there. Let's go back here as super user. Let's go to Manage, Settings, and let's just have a quick peek at the other options. We have a web slice title. If it's empty, it will grab the title of the module in the page. Web slice expires. You can say when this web slice will expire. If it's empty, it will take the date, the expiration date of the module itself. And this will tell how many minutes it should refresh, after how many minutes it should be refreshed. Let's just leave it as 0, and by leaving it as 0, the caching settings will take effect. Now, if I close this, and if I change, now, what would be the scenario that you could use this? Well, you could have a slot on your site that is updated frequently, and maybe, I don't know, maybe it has codes from a particular, stock or something like that. Some information that is very important to your users. Maybe they use Internet Explorer because, again, it's only for Internet Explorer, and you want to give a little widget to them so they can have that information fresh there in their toolbar. Now, let's just try to update this. If I change this content, if I go to Edit, replace this by I'm feeling bad, save, and now I go back here to Internet Explorer, I refresh the page. Of course, I can see I'm feeling bad here, but let's have a look here. Now, here it still shows the other one. If I click refresh, now I can see the new one. So that's basically it. Not that useful because it's only supported by Internet Explorer, but this is what a web slice is. That's it for now. Thank you very much and bye.